Three prairie provinces. What are the three prairie provinces? Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba. What do the three prairie provinces look like? Alberta. Alberta has mountains. Alberta has lakes. Alberta has prairie grasslands. Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan has prairie grasslands. Manitoba. Manitoba has many lakes. Manitoba has many rivers. What do the three prairie provinces produce? Alberta. Alberta has oil and gas. Alberta has beef cattle. Alberta has canola. Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan has potash. Saskatchewan has canola. Saskatchewan has wheat. Manitoba. Manitoba has canola. Manitoba has wheat. Manitoba has hogs.